Ayan guys, mag-unbox tayo ng ating in-order na fashion jewelry. So, ayan. Kita nyo yung aking address. Ayan siya. Tala by Kyla. Ayan, ito yung box. So, let's open. Ay, wala tayong pangbukas. Made for you. Oh, wow! Ay, sorry. So, ganyan siya sa loob, guys. Perfect pang gift. So, thank you for supporting my small business. Wow. And look. So, ganito siya, guys. And let's open. Pero, pwede naman. Sige, open natin ganito. Ayan.